What's the meaning of chain link fence? Chain link fence. Chain link fence.
Chain link fence. Chain link fence. A chain link fence is a type of fencing made up of interconnected metal wires that are bent in a zigzag pattern. The wires are then wrapped around each other to create a diamond-shaped pattern. This type of fence is commonly used in residential, commercial, and industrial settings due to its low cost, durability, and ease of installation. It provides a barrier that is difficult to climb and offers some visibility while still maintaining a level of security. Overall, a chain link fence is a practical and popular option for many different types of properties.